Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can create and insert a table of contents in Word. First, you have to ensure your document is formatted correctly. Make sure your headings are styled appropriately. Select the text, go to the Home tab and apply the desired heading style. Once your document is formatted, place your cursor where you want the table of contents to appear. Next, navigate to the References tab at the top of the screen. Then click on Table of Contents on the left-hand side. Choose from the available formats. Once selected, the table of contents will be inserted into your document. You can customize the appearance by modifying the styles. And there you go. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.